Spotify just turned up the volume of communication with the launch of a brand new in-app feature called Messages. Welcome to GadInsider, where you get all the tech updates. Rolling out this week to users aged over 16 in selected markets, Messages update lets listeners share songs, podcasts, and audiobooks directly with friends without ever leaving the app. Think of it as Spotify's version of a DM, where you can message someone directly, not in group chats. You simply tap the share icon on any track, select a contact, and send it their way. If the person hasn't messaged you before, it'll go to requests, much like Instagram. Once accepted, you're free to chat, drop emoji reactions, and dive deeper into your mutual music tastes. That's not all. Spotify's making it easy to connect too. The feature lives under top left corner of your profile photo, and suggested contacts are based on previous interactions, like shared playlists, blends, jams, or being on the same duo or family plan. But don't worry, Spotify isn't ditching external sharing. You can still send your favorite tracks on Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, or wherever else you hang out online. Plus, if Messages isn't your thing, there's a simple procedure to turn it off in settings. It's not just about chatting. This feature gives artists, podcasters, and authors another way to get discovered, and fans can now directly yap about the content they love. We can say this is a great update to keep music and conversation flowing all in one place. Do you agree with this? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.